Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to change password in Trip.com step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Trip.com app or website. If you are on a phone or tablet, find the Trip.com icon and tap it once. On a computer, open your usual browser, then type Trip.com into the address bar and press enter. You should see the Trip.com homepage with travel options like hotels and flights, which lets you know you are in the right place. Now, sign into your account. Look for a button or link that says log in or sign in, usually near the top of the screen. Click or tap it, then carefully type your email address or phone and your password, and confirm by tapping the login button. If you see your name or a person icon appear at the top after that, it means you are signed in correctly. Once you are signed in, open account. Emo app, this is often at the bottom right as a person icon or a tab labeled account. On the website, it can appear at the top of the page, sometimes as your name or a profile icon that you can click. When you open account, you should see options related to your bookings and personal details, which tells you are in your account area. From there, go to settings. In the account area, look for a menu item named settings and tap or click it once. It may appear as a small gear symbol next to the word settings, which always means configuration options. When you enter settings, the screen will change to show different controls for how your account behaves instead of your trips or bookings. Next up, select Account and Security. Scroll gently if you need to, then tap or click the option called Account and Security. This section is where Trip.com keeps tools for your login details and protection. When it opens, you will see items such as email, phone, and password settings, so you know you are in the right place to change your password. At this point, look for password or change password. Read the list slowly until you find a line that says password or change password, then select it. On some versions, it may appear as a small link to the right of password, so check both the text and any small buttons. After you tap it, a new screen or window will open asking for your current password and a new one, which confirms you have entered the password change page. Now enter your current password. Tap into the first box that asks for your current password and type the one you use right now to sign in. Make sure there are no extra spaces at the start or end, because even one extra space will make it fail. If you enter the wrong current password, Trip.com will not allow the change, so take a moment to check what you typed before moving on. After that, enter your new password. Tap into the next box labeled New Password and carefully type the new password you want to use. A good password usually mixes letters and numbers so others cannot guess it easily. Changing your password here will update the one you use to log in from every device, so remember that you will need this new one next time. With the new password typed once, enter the new password again. Go to the box labeled Confirm Password or Repeat New Password and type the same new password a second time. This step checks that you did not make a typing mistake, because even a small difference would stop the change. If the app shows an error saying the passwords do not match, clear the second box and type it again slowly. Finally, tap Save or Confirm. Look near the bottom or top of the screen for a button that says Save or Confirm and tap or click it once. After a moment, the page should close or show a short message that your password has been updated. From now on, your Trip.com account will only accept this new password, and if needed, you can come back to the same setting to change it again later. You have now successfully changed the password for your Trip.com account. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.